Hi, I'm letter B. My sound is B. B. Say B. Meet my friends. Bat. Bat. B. Bat. Say B. Bat. The initial sound of bat is B. Wow, what is it? Ball. Ball. B. Ball. Say B. Ball. The initial sound of ball is B. I like to play with bat and ball. Oh, this is balloon. Balloon. B. Balloon. Say B. Balloon. The initial sound of balloon is B. There are so many colors of balloon. Wow! Now let's learn the formation of letter B. This is letter B. It sounds B. Let's learn its formation. You will start from the dot, hold down, and go around. It's letter B. Look at the picture. Say bat, ball, balloon. The initial sound of bat, ball, balloon is B.